Angifuni indoda engakwazi ukuhlinza inkomo mina. You can't slaughter a goat. You can't slaughter a cow. Fika emngcwabeni uswenkile. Yabazi labo bhuti bafika emngcwabeni umkhanyana usefika emngcwabeni naye usefaka izaza, ufaka i-three-piece suit, uyinto nje yena engathinte. I don't like, that's not what I value. I'm not saying don't, but I'm saying what I value in a man. For me, it's how you show up as a man. Angifuni indoda who doesn't know how to put themselves last in certain situations. You don't have to show up as your entire being. We know that you are the medical doctor with 50,000 degrees. You drive this big car, you live in a fancy house. Sesekhaya ke manje. Kushoniwe. Iphi overall blue? Yes. Ew. That's how you show up for your spouse in situations like that, because the opposite is also expected of a woman. Mekshoniwe as a wife. I'm expected to be there on Friday. I'm chopping. Gifagi dug. My corporate job doesn't matter right now. The nails don't matter right now. This is the situation that we're dealing with. This is how I'm showing up for my man. So I don't like a man who has a high level of self-preservation, because that indicates to me that you're selfish. You don't know how to read the room. I like a man who is generous. Doesn't have to have money, but he can be generous. Because a lot of you are in relationships. You've never even seen that guy's payslip. You don't know how much he earns. You just see the car. You just see the house. You have no understanding of his level of financial literacy. This big car and big house may be provided by a massive amount of debt, but you just see the flash and the money that he gives you. So you're not concerned about this man's ability to create a stable home from a financial perspective. You're just worried about what you're getting out of it. So for me, it may be different than the masses. And I understand that I'm an outlier in this case, but I know that there are many women who think like me. I value how present you are as a father, if you are a father. And if you're not, I can already tell by how present you are in our relationship if you're going to be present with our children or not. I value how much you can give from whatever you have. A lot of women are living in mansions and these men are stingy. He's providing you with the outward glam. And also, I appreciate a man who's going to pour into me. Are you intelligent? What am I learning from you? What are you teaching me? And when I'm with you, does your energy allow me to be in my femininity? Am I willingly and happily submitting to you as the head? Those are the things that I value.
Ufuna insizwa eqotho?
No, ngifuna insizwa eqotho mina. Angimfuni mina cheese boy ozofika lapha yane. Hey guys, no guys.
You'd like a man to be hands-on when it comes to problem solving?
Yes.
Generally.
Be a problem solver.
But more hands-on than financial?
Yes.
Because the easy counter is I'm in my suit because I can hire boys to slaughter.
That's not true.
I can hire people to come fix your car. I've got the means. But for some reason you want me to be on my knees changing your tire.
Self-preservation.